Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix phone speaker volume suddenly low on iPhone. The first thing that you're going to need to do is go into settings. Once in settings, you're going to go on sounds and haptics. And from here, you want to drag the slider right where you see ringer and alerts. You're going to drag it to the far end as you want to turn it up. After doing that, I would also recommend that you toggle on change width buttons. As you can see right here, you want to ensure that that is turned on. Now you can make a test call and see if your speaker is louder. If that doesn't work, what I would also recommend that you do is you use an old toothbrush and you try to clean your speaker, as some of the time it may be corroded with dirt or so on. And if you have cleaned it and it is still not working, probably you should look into if your speaker needs replacement. And another option that you could do, and this is the last resort before changing your speaker, you could come into settings. Once in settings, you're going to scroll down and select general. And from here, you want to scroll all the way down and you're going to tap on transfer or reset. Then you would select reset and you can simply tap on reset all settings, and that will bring back your phone to the original settings. So you could try that and see if the speaker starts working better. If it's still not working good, the other option that I would recommend is you simply replacing the speaker. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.